Pero hinay-hinay, i-implement tayo sa social. Because 3 years, 4 years pa niya ang transition na to. Siguro, the year 2025, upon review of the Chief NP na, ha? Nato sa tanik sila. Oh. Next. The implementing rules to law regulation has 95 pages. Take note na niya. 95 pages from book 1 until book 11, covering 7 rules. Okay, actually, if we are going to discuss with the 11, 11917, sa tanang dito lang na, gato na, April yung buwan din dito ito mo rin. Di ba rin? Ha? Ito ang basic ko. So, dito ko pa. So, ang akong ikuha na ang mga tayo doon lang sa libro, kung asa dalabilo na nag-discuss. So, the Philippine National Police to law, being as the stakeholders and other national private security association, representative of private security cooperatives and other stakeholders in the security industry shall promulgate the rules and regulations necessary to prevent the provision act within 90 days from it. Have you noticed nga, what a mention or ba't pa was a mention of Apsaw? No? Wala. Association naman. Private security association, private security cooperative stakeholders. Because it has been observed that the creation of BATPAW in the previous one, Republic Act 54-7, that was still with BAW. Due to that conflict between BATPAW, directors BATPAW, so there's another association organized by Atty. Blackbook, on ang BATPAW. Kaya nagsantiba ang mga security agency, nasa sila kung paatulit. May BATPAW, may Apsaw. Kasi mga bibro sa Apsaw, sa BATPAW, kanya nasa isuban, gamit ba din sa Apsaw. So, wala silang bahay. Pero karon wala, sana gamit din yung association that you are affiliated. Stakeholders address directly to the private security agency operators. So, walay promulgation of the rules and regulations and to implement the provision of this act not this is to be passed to the